So if you're a TikTok creator looking to make money by selling products or promoting items via TikTok affiliates, then this tutorial is really going to help you out. It's going to make your life so much easier and make your affiliate account so much more profitable. It is like having your own personal assistant to help you find the best stuff to sell, earn higher commissions, and even get free samples a lot faster and a lot easier. So here's a few different ways that it works, and I'll run you through exactly how to use it very, very easily. So the software is called YooFinds, and it helps you find products that are already popular and already in demand, so you don't have to guess what people might want to buy. Now, with this tool specifically, you can easily pick items that your followers are going to love, which means more views, more clicks, and more sales for you based on the specific products that you choose. Now, it's also going to help you earn more money on each sale as well, right? So if you want to make more money, then obviously as an affiliate specifically, the commission rate means a lot. Not only will this software help you find the highest commissions on all the specific products, and just like softwares like Fastmoss, it sorts through all the actual products for you to kind of showcase them all in an easy to read format. This is going to show you all the top ones, but it's also going to help you earn more commissions on those specific products because they've set up deals with a lot of these actual stores. So for example, if you would just request to add that product to your shop showcase in your own TikTok shop without this, you might earn 20% commission. But if you go through YooFinds, then it might be 25 or 30% commission. Now that doesn't seem like that much, but that 10% extra over the course of dozens or hundreds or even thousands of sales is a lot of money. So do not sleep on this. It is literally instantly increasing your commissions. It is mind-blowing. They've already done all the legwork. They've already set up all the deals with the actual stores. It's a win for the stores because obviously they're getting high quality creators like you and me, because only top creators are really kind of looking into software to find products like this. But also it's a win for us because we instantly increase our commission, which puts more money in our pocket. Now, not only that, they also make it super simple to get free samples of the products that we want to sell, so we can test them out, we can show them off in our videos, and we can give our audience real, honest reviews. Finally, one of the other features is that it's personalized for you, right? So it's not just the same suggestions across the board to everybody. It's going to suggest specific products, and obviously you can sort through and find other products if you want to, but it's going to suggest specific products to you based on what you like and what your followers are into, okay? So it's niche specific, it's creator specific, and that way you're not going to waste your time looking through things that don't fit your style and don't fit your audience. It's going to suggest you personalized things, so you're seeing different things that I'm seeing and vice versa. We're not all going after the same specific products. And it's also going to show you the best selling and the trending products as well, so we can stay ahead of the competition and also always know which products are going to bring us the most specific money and which products are on the uptrend and products that we should go after right now, and which products are kind of dying and, maybe were products that were good a little bit ago, but now we should probably avoid. Now, this is what it looks like on desktop. As you can see, it's youfinds.com. I'm signed in right here. If you want to access the app for your mobile phone as well, you can just go to this top one right here where it says Our App. Go to YooFinds app. The first link in the description will also take you directly there. So if you want to try this out, you can do so through that first link. And here's how you can specifically use it, right? So as you can see, you can sort through just like any of the other product research softwares, although this is specific for creators like you and me that are affiliates. So you can see all sorts of different categories here. You can filter by specific prices, specific commission percentages, specific ratings. You can filter on whether it's a bestseller, whether it's a new release, etc., etc. Now you can also filter specific categories, right? So beauty and personal care, phone and electronics, whatever the specific category that you're after as well. And you can also expand it and obviously look at all the other categories as well. It literally spoon feeds you all the best products, all the best commission rates, and instantly increases your commission, like I said, right? So I'll take you through an example here in a second, but as we scroll down, you can just see right off the bat, like this one right here offers 25% commission if you go through this YooFinds website. But if you just went on the normal actual TikTok shop and applied for this, you would get 20% commission. So instantly, just like that, by just using this website, you're instantly increasing your commission 5%, which again makes a massive difference if you start selling this really, really well. Now, if you always want to just continue scrolling, you can. It's pretty much endless, or you could always just click it and continue scrolling on. We are in all right now, so let's hone it down a little bit more specific, and I'll show you some specific examples of how you can utilize this. So if you wanted to go high commission, you could go high commission right through here. If you wanted to go the best selling route, you could obviously click that, and they're going to spoon feed you those as well. Or if you wanted to go category specific, you could do that too. So let's go phone and electronics, and we'll see what's available to us. If we wanted to hone it down a little bit more, we obviously could by just filtering it specifically. But just to kind of show you how it works, we'll scroll through. So this one right here is priced at $20. We'd earn a $2 commission or a 10% commission. This one is the same, so you're not getting a boost through YooFinds, but some of these other ones you are. This one adds a 7% boost, which is crazy. I've seen some really expensive products on here too. I actually requested one that was like almost $300. I forget specifically what it was. It was like a week ago, and it still hasn't shown up yet. But obviously, I'm going to test that product, review it, and if it doesn't work, I can still resell it on Mercari, Poshmark, Facebook Marketplace, like the list goes on, eBay, and potentially make a free $300 just for getting a free sample, right? But obviously, that's not the end goal. That's just a little caveat that you could do as well. A waterproof speaker right here for 20% commission, a magnetic power bank. Now, if we wanted to obviously add this to our shop showcase, we'd add it to our shop showcase. It's going to show you the amount of sales here as well. Also, the amount of creators that have added this to their shop showcase. Why is that important? Because you don't want to go after something that's super oversaturated. For example, like this one has 233 creators on it and 91 sales. This one has 60 creators on it and 13 sales. So ideally, you want a lot of sales, and it shows you that data all right here, with not as many creators, so there's not as much competition for those high sales, right? Pretty self-explanatory. They literally, again, spoon feed you all this information here. So if we come back up and we filter, we'll go price more than 20 and just see what's available to us. So this one right here, perfect example. Obviously, we didn't sort it once we filtered, but this one right here has 25,000 creators that have added it, and it's got, 5,000 sales. So while that's good, it's definitely a little bit oversaturated compared to this one who only has 300 creators, but it has, 1.2 thousand sales. So again, it's about finding that balance between sales and not as many creators, and that's a good product opportunity. And to get the free sample, it's very, very easy. You literally just click request free sample down here. And then on the very next page, you click request free sample and they'll send it right to you. Now, if you do like it and you want to add it to your shop showcase, you would just click add to your shop showcase and then authorize it. Now, the first step, obviously, after downloading YooFinds is to authorize YooFinds to connect into your TikTok. That's going to allow it to pull your specific audience, connect into your shop showcase so you can add products directly from the website or the app on your phone. Instantly increase your commissions as well, so you're getting 17% in this case and not 10%. And also connect in so you can get the free sample so it knows where to send it, because obviously you should have already set that up within your TikTok affiliate account. So this is just the tip of the iceberg, but this is a really, really cool software. It is also an app, like I said, on your phone if you want to use it that way, that is going to spoon feed us the best, the most trending products that are doing well right now with the highest commission, allow us to get free samples that we potentially wouldn't have otherwise been able to get. And also, like I said, instantly increase our commission, which makes a massive difference in our bottom line. So YooFinds is a game changer, guys. I'm really excited. This is like the first version of it. I'm really excited to see where they're going in the future, but I'm testing this out. I am loving it. It makes TikTok affiliates so much easier and so much more profitable. If you'd like to try it out, again, that first link in the description. But as always, this is just what works for me, so I really hope it helps.